Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you all today. I have two different type of pumpkin. I have one butternut and I have one this round pumpkin here. Guys, here I'm cleaning. You can see two type of pumpkin, which I'm gonna make pumpkin gulgula. So I'll show you all guys when I'm making it. So guys, this is a pumpkin what I steamed it to make my pumpkin gulgulas here. I steamed it, now I'm mashing it guys. Then I will use a little bit of milk and self-raising and sugar. I will make my gulgula guys. I'll show you all when I'm making. But this is a pumpkin what I steamed. So when I'm making guys, I'll show you all. So guys, I showed you all the pumpkin. Yeah, I took some pumpkin and I boiled it. I mashed it. I used about 3 tablespoons of self-raising and 3 tablespoons sugar and 1 egg. So this is a pumpkin gulgula guys. You see how my pumpkin gulgula coming out. If you want to see it how I make from starting guys, you can watch it in my YouTube channel. So today is nice and cold day. We're making some pumpkin gulgula. Very tasty guys. So when I'm done with all, I'll show you all. This is a first lot. So guys, this is my pumpkin gulgula. Very tasty guys. You can see how it is. You can see inside. It's very tasty guys. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy it, share it.